So our next topic is paging in MVC using entity framework. So it is our last topic in entity framework this time. Suppose we have a number of records which are very much to view on a single page. We want only 5 or 6 records per page or 10 records per page. So this will be done using paging. So we have a lot of records and we want that we have only 5 or 6 records per page. So let's do paging. Come to the employee controller. If you are new, just go to our first video. Inside the employee controller, come to the public action index method and introduce a new variable which is in type, it is page number, make it capital, page number. Also assign a default value 1. Now come to the at the end of this method, at this place paging. So we write the paging code here. So we need some variables that is of integer type, number of records per page. Suppose we want only 5 records per page. Also total number of pages, number of pages. So number of pages will be fetched out by entry 32 we will take ceiling convert to double emp list dot count oblique convert to double number of pages per record. Number of records per page. So here we get the total number of rows divided by number of records per page, that is 5. So total number of rows, suppose we have 16 rows, and if we divide 5 by 5 we will get result 16 divided by 5, 3.2. So we consider floor ceiling value, that is 4. The ceiling value will be 4. So here we get number of pages. Now we take how many records to skip. Number of records to skip equals to page number minus 1 multiply by number of records per page. Also we will send the values into viewback dot page number equals to page number. Also viewback dot number of pages equals to number of pages. emp list equals to emp list dot skip number of records to skip dot take number of records per page dot to list. So this is the code for paging. Now come to the index view of employee controller, that is index. For this, come to the last here. It will be a new tr. Let's check if our code is working fine or not. So it is working very fine. Now let's come to the design part. Introduce a new tr here. Take a td full span 11. Write a razor code int previous page number equals to viewback dot page number minus 1. If previous page number less than or equal to 0, then previous page number will be 1. Similarly, we will write the code for next page number. Now we will use the Bootstrap list ul class pagination justify content to center. Inside this, take the li. Inside li, take the class page item. Inside Li, take an anchor tag plus page link. Inside this anchor tag, take a href slash employees slash index question mark and page number equals to at the rate previous page. Also add the page number 1 by default. So I have added parameter page number in each anchor tag. Now come to the code. So here we have the code now. We have taken a li for previous page. Here we pass the page number as previous page number, and we have taken a loop for loop viewback dot number of pages. The loop will come to up to the total number of pages. In first condition, if the page is the current page, then we will make it active, and the code is page number equals to I plus 1. Else this one is not active, and the statement of anchor tag is same. At last we have the next page here. So let's run this application. Will it succeed? View in browser. So here we get the result. We have here 5 number of records. Second page, next page, previous page. So it is working very fine. So this is all about Entity Framework. Please be with us. Subscribe our channel for more and updated videos. Suppose we make the page number of records per page will be 6. Then we will see the result for the 6 number of records. It is showing the 6 records, and the number of pages will be 2. So it is working very fine. Please mention to make the correction at this place. We need the third parameter as a default value as a page number equals to 1 for each anchor tag. So if you are new, then please go to the first video of this series